In the immunoassay known as radial immunodiffusion, or RID, there is only one well for the antigen because the antibodies are added to the agar itself at a temperature appropriate so that the antibodies do not denature. As a result, the zone of equivalence will form a ring around the antigen if there is binding between the antigen and antibody. This can be used to measure the concentration of the antigen, say in the serum of a patient, because the diameter of the ring, when squared, is directly proportional to the concentration of the antigen in the sample. And so therefore, if the antibody concentration is kept constant, one can then prepare a set of standards in which the antigen concentration varies. And from these, get a standard curve so that you know that when the ring measures a specific diameter, it corresponds to a specific concentration of the antigen in your sample. Once you have this standard curve, you may then test an unknown sample. And if the antigen is present, you can compare the diameter of its ring to those on your standard curve to then determine the concentration of the antigen in your sample. So for example, this can be done with complement proteins in serum samples.